My partner and I love our electric toothbrushes, but we keep finding that no matter how much we dry them, they leave behind a little wet ring that ends up marking the vanity. So I'm going to make something to fix that. Here we are taking some rough measurements just of the toothbrushes and the bit that's going to hold them. And then here's me drawing a nice dodgy sketch of what it's going to look like from the top. Didn't need to be perfect because the next step is we're just going to open up SolidWorks and start cutting up the design. Basically what I'm after is a hollow box that has a spot to hold each of the toothbrushes, and then these little rectangle bits will just be to sit the charger in there so it stays nice and snug. You might notice when I'm sketching stuff, some of the lines seem to follow my mouse and not go away straight away, but I don't know, it must just be a bad install of SolidWorks. Anyway, we're going to add some holes in the bottom of the cylinders that hold each of the toothbrushes and then make up the bottom part of the case. The next step is chucking it in Bambu Lab and slicing it up. I want it in black, so just changed over the filament before I started printing and then let the A1 go to work. So then we got the final result. So put it off the printer and then had a look at each of the parts. They look pretty good, you know, not the fanciest thing in the world, but they'll do their job and it works. This is why I love 3D printing. It's good for cheap fixes around the house. Anyway, that's how I solved my wet toothbrush dilemma, and